Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stylish minimalist luxury bathroom decor ideas and tips for decorating elegance and luxurious bathroom at home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Imagine stepping into a personal sanctuary, bathed in light and serenity. Every element exudes quiet sophistication, whispering luxury through thoughtful design and meticulous details. This is the essence of minimalist luxury bathroom decor, a philosophy that transcends trends and imbues your bathroom with timeless elegance. Minimalism in the bathroom isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a space that fosters peace and tranquility. Uncluttered surfaces free your mind, while high-quality materials, think natural stone, handcrafted tiles, and solid wood, speak to a refined taste. The clean lines and deliberate design choices not only amplify the sense of space, even in compact bathrooms, but also ensure your haven remains stylish for years to come. Luxury in a minimalist bathroom isn't about excess, but about intentionality. Invest in statement lighting, be it a chandelier or sconces, to bathe the space in warmth. Introduce organic elements like wood, stone, and even a touch of greenery to bring depth and life. Remember, even the smallest details matter. High-quality towels, bathrobes, and soaps elevate the everyday experience, transforming mundane routines into moments of indulgence. Minimalism doesn't equate to blandness. Play with textures, mixing matte and glossy finishes for visual interest. A pop of color through a statement piece adds personality without overwhelming the space. Artwork, carefully chosen, can become a focal point, reflecting your unique style. Don't forget the power of greenery. Strategically placed plants breathe life into your sanctuary. Even the most petite bathroom can exude luxury. Built-in storage and clever utilization of niches keep clutter at bay. Opt for large format tiles that visually expand the room, and embrace reflective surfaces like mirrors to create the illusion of more space. Strategic lighting and a floating vanity further enhance the feeling of openness. And to complete your inspiration, here these the top 10 best minimalist luxury bathroom decor ideas. 1. Freestanding bathtub, a sculptural centerpiece that adds instant luxury. 2. Walk-in shower with rain head, creates a spa-like experience. 3. Heated towel rack, a touch of indulgence for everyday use. 4. Smart mirror with integrated lighting, offers functionality and a touch of tech-forward luxury. 5. High-end bathrobe and towels, indulge in the feel of plush, soft fabrics. 6. Designer faucet and hardware, elevate the everyday with beautiful details. 7. Natural stone countertop, adds a touch of organic luxury. 8. Living plants, breathe life into the space with greenery. Nine. Luxury bath products, elevate your bathing ritual with high-quality soaps and lotions. 10. Statement artwork, a single piece adds personality and sophistication. Minimalist luxury bathroom decor is an invitation to experience your bathroom anew. It's about appreciating quality, functionality, and clean lines to create a space that reflects your individuality and love for refined living. So, embark on this journey of transformation and discover the true meaning of luxury, a haven of peace, style, and serenity, designed just for you. Visit Homes Decor Designs on YouTube for more inspiring bathroom design ideas and expert tips to bring your minimalist luxury dreams to life. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of stylish minimalist luxury bathroom decor ideas for your inspiration. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.